Welcome to this new video series. This is the second part of the video series, and we are explaining character puzzles here. So, in this series, in this video, we'll be going more about reasoning. Do watch the previous video, and that is the continuation of this video of the previous video. Do learn reasoning and to practice. So, we have some question mark here in the figure, and we have to find out what will come in the question mark. We have three circles, and in three circles we have four numbers. Let us start with the first circle. In the first circle, the 9 can be written as 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 square. The 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 25 can be written as 5 into 5, and 36 can be written as 6 into 6. So it's like 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6. Serially, the numbers are increasing and all the numbers are multiplying itself to create that number in that particular box. So let us take the second circle. In the second circle, we have 16, which is 4 into 4, and then 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7, right? So now it is obvious and a very little bit clear to us also. Let us go to the next circle and see. So 36 will be 6 into 6, 7 into 7, and 9 into 9. So the missing term must be 8 into 8, right? So what is 8 into 8? It is 64. So my correct option is 64. Let us discuss pattern recognition. Here we'll be deciding which pattern will be coming next. So the fifth pattern or fifth picture we have to draw or decide. Options they will give in the examination. Sometimes they may not give you. So here, if you see, we have from the first figure, we can see it is a combination of three figures itself. One is the small circle, one is the star, and another one is the triangle. So let us move one by one part one at a time. So we'll start with the triangle. If we see the first picture and the second picture, it's like that. It looks like that. The first picture moves 45 degree. Okay, it rotates, not moves. It rotates 45 degree to create the second picture. Similarly, from second to third picture, again it looks like it rotates 45 degree. And from the third picture to fourth picture, again it looks like it rotates 45 degree, right? So the fifth picture must be actually after rotating the fourth picture. Okay, so we are expecting the fifth picture, triangle, looking downwards. Now let's start rotating the picture with two pictures at a time, two part at a time. So we are taking triangle and star now. Let us rotate it 45 degree. The second picture will be after rotating 45 degrees. So if I rotate, it will be like this. But now you can check the answer figure and the second picture. The star is not in that position. So in the answer figure, what we have to do, we have to move the star in the left direction, right? So it is moving, we can say, in the clockwise direction, okay, from one point to another. So in a triangle, we have 3 points. So from one point to another point, it moves. Let us check the third figure. So in the third figure, if I rotate the answer figure, it must come like this. But if I match with my answer figure and the third figure, the star is not in that place. That means we have to move in the answer figure the star from this point, the present point, to this point to make it, to match it, right? So with every rotation, the star is moving from one point to another point in anti-clockwise direction. Let us check for the fourth figure. Again, you see the star is not in that point. That means we have moved the star from this point to next point in the clockwise direction. Okay, so in the fifth figure, we are expecting something like that, but we have to move the star. Okay, so this is my final fifth figure with star and triangle. Now we have one circle also, so let us move the circle now. So if we move the circle, first figure, let us rotate circle and a triangle together. So we are expecting something like that. But you see, this circle is not in the middle. Now it comes to a corner in the right side. So that means it moves half the distance or half the length, right? Now again, let us move it 45 degree. So we are expecting this, but the answer figure and the third figure is not matching. It is coming in the middle. That means the circle is traveling again half distance. So it's again, let me rotate. So if I rotate, we are expecting something like that, but again the circle will move half a distance. Okay, so the circle is moving in the anti-clockwise direction, half of the length of the side, right? Again, let us move. So it looks like the final figure must be like this, but do not forget to move half distance. So the final figure will be this. So if I see the final figure, the fifth figure will be just in front of you. Okay, it will be like this. So first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth figure will be in front of you like this. So this type of question, you have to divide separate parts and then you have to find out the answer. Let us discuss another one. Find out the missing pattern in the series. So in the box where it is written question mark, we have to find out what will come here. So let us draw the box, a big box, that is the question mark box. Now you see there are three lines, right? Diagonally it is joining, and how it is moving you can see. So if we check the pattern, we can expect in the fourth box the line must be like this, right? So here the line we are expecting like this. Again, in every box there is a triangle kind of thing, right? So in the first box we have triangle which is pointing up, and down below it is pointing down. So in the next box again it is pointing up. So in the next box we are expecting the triangle must be pointing down. So we are expecting the triangle like this. So in the fourth box the pattern will be this in front of you. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope it is clear to you. Do watch the previous video also, and keep on watching this channel. In the next video, we'll be discussing more about reasoning with other resources. Stay safe, stay happy.